Hello everybody, thanks for joining me today. I haven't made a video for ages and I haven't actually made anything for ages. It's like my making mojo has just deserted me. So I thought I'd just keep things simple and put together a pre-made kit, a junk journal kit. So this is one that I downloaded from Creative Fabrica. It's called Marie's Garden and I'll put the link in the description of the video. So it comes with 6 pages, 6 journal pages, double pages, and 6 pages of ephemera. So I've already gone ahead and printed out the journal pages. So I'm using 190 GSM photo paper, single-sided. So these are the 6 pages, which I've scored down the middle. They're really pretty, but they've been sat on my desk for so long that they've actually faded a bit, which works in this case, but just goes to show how long it's been since I made anything. And then because it's a kit, you can print extras of whatever you like. And I quite like this for a cover, so I printed an extra sheet of this one. And then I've already gone ahead and cut out all the ephemera. But there's quite a lot. You get some flowers, a nice kind of parchment scroll type thing, some cards, that's quite pretty. And then some just tags, I guess. A couple of these shaped tags too, labels, tags, some ovals, a couple of these. There's a bit of just something interesting, a bit of a church window thing, some more paper squares, some more cards, some various bits of paper. So all these sort of squares and rectangles, they just come on the page, and you can I guess decide what to do with them, turn them into tags or use them as pockets or whatever you want to do. So I haven't decided yet, we'll see how that goes. Some more sort of random pieces of imagery and paper, pattern paper. This is a cute heart. It actually comes on the background, but I cut it out of the background, and a couple of tickets. So like I said, you can, because it's a kit, you can choose if you want to duplicate anything. Okay, so I'm just going to put that off to one side. Now to put the book together, I'm going to, so I've already scored down the middle. I'm going to do that, basically stack all the pages one on top of the other, and then glue these wrong sides together. So in the end, you'll end up with a little book. So let's go ahead and do that. So on every other page, I think I'm going to leave a little gap. I'm not going to glue the whole piece of paper together, so it makes sort of like a cute tuck spot between pages. And I'm using this stick glue. I think it's just better for these large areas like this. Try to glue as close to the edges as possible. So now you've got the beginnings. You see how that's going to go together? So for this one, instead of gluing all the way around, I'm going to glue. Oh great, my glue's just run out. Okay, my glue stick has just run out, so I'm going to revert to liquid glue. I'm going to glue along the spine, along the top edge, down the middle, and along the bottom edge, and that's it. So I'm going to make like kind of a pocket in here and in here. So now there should be a little like that. And then for this one I'm just going to go all the way across. And then for this one I'm going to do the edges one, and then the middle, and then the top. And then the last one is an all over. Okay, so now you've got your pages. And then I'm going to go in with a circle punch, and where I've made those pockets, I'm just going to attempt to make like a little notch in the paper so that it's easy to access whatever's what we're going to use it for, whatever we're going to slide in here. So now you've got these little notches there that you can make it easier to slide things in and out. Let's see, for the cover I'm going to take the extra bit that I printed, and I'm just going to cut it in half. So this should fit nicely on the front and the back. And then for the spine, I'm going to cover this bit. I want to have a piece of paper that is, I want it to sort of come out by about 1 centimetre on each side, plus this height of the stack, which is about 0.4 millimeters. So I'm going to cut a strip that is 2.5 centimeters wide by 21 centimeters tall. So now that will sit alongside that and then wrap around to the back. So I'm just going to glue that. When I've used glue like this, wet glue, and just stuck it down, you can kind of see the pattern that I've made when it dries, but that doesn't seem to happen if I spread out the glue in a sort of thinly. I'm just going to trim down all this excess. So now it's starting to look more like a book. For the spine, I've got my piece that I did there. I'm not going to bother scoring it or anything. I'll just kind of eyeball it, hope for the best. I'm not going to apply glue to the spine here. I'm just going to glue it on this side and on this side. And then just ease it over the back, and then add glue to this part but not the spine part. And I'm also going to trim it a bit. I've cut that a bit too long. So now you've got a bit of a spine. And then it's just a matter of decorating it. You've got the base of your junk journal there. Easy to put together. And it's just a matter of decorating it. So I've got this sheet left over, and then I've got all of this ephemera here. On the inside, I've got all these just sort of random bits of patterned rectangles and squares that can act as, I'm going to keep these bigger ones for journaling cards, but I'm going to use these other ones for belly bands, pockets, and tuck spots. It's not easy to say. Okay, so I've got a few bits and pieces left, but really just a few. And I've got the basis for a pretty decent junk journal there. Obviously go further and add more pockets, more tuck spots, lace and more decoration. You could definitely make more tags and tickets, but there's plenty of room to add photographs and to add some journaling, and it's really cute. Okay, so I've added the link if you want to download this kit for yourself. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed the video, please do hit the like button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.